In the late 80s, a man named Guido van Rossum set out to create a simple yet powerful programming language at the Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica (CWI) in the Netherlands. This was the birth of Python, named not for the snake, but for the British comedy troupe Monty Python. The first version of Python, Python 9.0, saw the light of day in February 1991, bringing with it features like classes with inheritance, exception handling, functions, and core data types. Fast forward to October 2000, Python 2.0 was released with new features, including a garbage collector system for memory management and Unicode support. 6 years later, in December 2008, Python 3.0 arrived. This version was not backward compatible, but came with many improvements and refinements over Python 2.0, making it even more efficient and easier to use. Python has become a global phenomenon due to its simplicity, power, and extensive use in various fields, including web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Its clear syntax, rich library, and versatility have made it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. While Python may not be as fast as lower-level languages like C or C++, and its simplicity can sometimes lead to inefficiencies, its benefits far outweigh its drawbacks, making it a go-to language for many programmers around the world. Python, born out of Guido van Rossum's vision, has grown into one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Its simplicity, rich library, and versatility have made it a favorite among many. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, Python is a language worth exploring. As we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, Python's prominence in fields such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science is projected to amplify. Currently, Python is the preferred language for these cutting-edge technologies thanks to its easy syntax and extensive libraries. Consequently, the demand for Python skills is on an upward curve, making it an increasingly valuable asset in the job market. Meanwhile, the Python community is unremitting in its pursuit of development and improvement, ensuring that the language remains relevant, adaptable, and on the front lines of innovation. With its expanding influence and ceaseless evolution, Python is a language that will continue to shape the future of technology. Python's versatility has made it a popular choice in various industries, transcending the boundaries of technology. In finance, Python's powerful data analysis capabilities and its potential for algorithmic trading have made it a go-to tool for many industry professionals. In the healthcare sector, Python is used in medical imaging and genetic research, revolutionizing the way we approach health and wellness. The entertainment industry also has a place for Python, with its use in CGI and game development, creating more immersive and engaging experiences for audiences worldwide. Truly, Python's versatility and ease of use have made it an indispensable tool in various industries, from finance to healthcare. Python's simplicity and readability have made it a popular choice for teaching programming in schools and universities. Its intuitive syntax and vast library support allow students to grasp fundamental concepts with ease, making Python an ideal first language for budding programmers. It's not just limited to the classroom either. Many academic researchers and scientists favor Python for its efficiency in handling complex data analysis and simulations. Moreover, the increasing demand for Python skills in the job market further emphasizes its importance in education. As we move into a digital age, the ability to understand and manipulate code is becoming increasingly vital. Python's uncomplicated nature and practical applications make it an excellent tool for equipping future generations with the skills they need to thrive in the digital era.